naman, may 20 pesos.
Ako po!
Sige, kapanan. Dito. This is your stage. Chorus lang.
Yung opalite po.
Ah.
It's alright, you are dancing all the lightning strikes. Sleepless in the onyx night, but now the sun is so bright. Oh, my love, never met you like you before. In your own sunshine, but now the sun is so bright.
Yay! This is 20 pesos. Next naman. Next is A. Ay, chorus na.
We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know the we're going, gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up in our voices. You know the dance a moment, gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I wanna be. We dream in heart, we came so far, now I believe. Ganun na lang, ganun na. Ayun ako sa
Yay! 20 pesos.
Si
Si ate naman daw.
Ako na lang.
Kasi nanay naman.
Yay!
Kahit ano, chorus lang.
Ay, wala po. Nakailang-ino.
Okay.
Akin na. Ay, wala pa ako oras ng pakilang. Meron ko nang cake.
Dakila ka ina.
Cake. Cake. Di ako nakakain ng cake.
Wala na. Wala nang isilaw.
Wala na.
Eh, di ko lang kayo.
At magkamalay. Ikaw aking sa landas ng buhay, sa aking pagtulong. Nagbabantay kapag lumuluhang mahal mong sanggol, ika'y dumaramay. At kung mayroong karamdaman, inalang ay luluhaan. Ang iyong gagawin ay hindi malaman sa anak mong mahal.
May sabit.
Yay! 20 pesos. Sino next? Wala na.
Si ate.
Ako!
Hindi, ulit. O, sige.
Makaramo.
Ano kakanta yun? Dito.
Pretty little baby, yeah, yeah. Pretty little baby, yeah, yeah. Pretty little baby, you say that baby, do you thinking of me? And try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, loving humans, pretty little baby. I'm so lonely with you.
Yay!
Now is just the time when both of us are young. Puppy must have love it stay. Don't you know it's much more fun to love? While the heart is young and young. Meet me at a farm or at the pawn shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so lonely with you.
ako dito, damputin nyo. Ah. Ah.
Ayun pa, talikod mo. Ayun pa, talikod mo. May pahulog na kasalitan siya. May baon niya na next year.
Ito kay nanay yung lahat ng laman. Sa'yo na yan, pati bulsa. Pati wallet. Yay!